A manual transmission gives you a reliability and full control over your car. But if you make a few serious mistakes, it can turn into a constant headache. Some bad habits will wear out parts faster, while others can completely destroy your gearbox. Today I will tell you what you should never do with your manual transmission. And while you are here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Resting your foot on a clutch pedal. Even light pressure on a clutch pedal causes it to slip constantly. Over time it leads to premature wear and expensive repairs. Some lads think it looks cool, but actually they are causing damage when they are resting their hand on the gear shifter. When you keep your hand on a gear stick, it applies pressure to internal gearbox components. Over time this wears out the parts, making gear shift rougher and eventually leading to mechanical damages. Next one, coasting in neutral. Some people believe that driving in neutral saves fuel, but that's not true. Modern cars automatically cut fuel supply when coasting with throttle released. In neutral you have less control, especially on downhill slopes, which can be dangerous. Releasing the clutch too quickly is the next mistake. If you let go of the clutch too fast, the car may jerk and transmission takes a heavy impact. This is especially damaging when downshifting to a lower gear. Next one, starting in second gear. In lightweight cars, this puts extra strain on a clutch, wearing it out faster. In heavier vehicles, this overloads the engine, making it harder to move from stop. The result? Clutch wears increases, and starting smoothly becomes more difficult. The most common issue isn't the transmission itself, but the clutch. That's why we're talking about that so much. Replacing the clutch, especially in mid-range and high-end cars, can be very expensive. So don't do that. Shifting gears without using a clutch. Some drivers think that they feel the gears and shift without the clutch, while experienced drivers sometimes manage it. This significantly wears out gearbox. Sooner or later expensive repairs would be necessary. Next one, you definitely make this mistake. It's keeping a clutch pressed on a stoplight. Some drivers keep the clutch fully pressed at the red light to get moving faster. This causes overheating and rapid wear. The best practice is to shift into neutral and release the pedal while waiting. Try this instead. Leaving the car in gear without use a handbrake. Simply leaving the car in gear without engaging the parking brake puts unnecessary strain into the transmission. Over time, this can damage the gearbox. This is especially important when you're parking on incline. Always engage the handbrake. Next one, shifting too early or too late might be also a mistake. When you're shifting too early, going into fifth gear at 40 km/h, it overloads the engine. And when you're shifting too late, staying at first or second gear at 50 km/h, that overheats gearbox and increases fuel consumption. So proper timing when shifting gears improves efficiency and extends the life of your transmission. And the last mistake, ignoring strange noises and greeting while shifting. If your gearbox starts making unusual noises or gears becomes difficult to engage, this is a clear sign of a problem. Ignoring it can lead to costly repairs. A manual transmission can last a very long time, but only if it's treated carefully. So pay attention how you drive to avoid unnecessary expenses and keep your car in top shape. Let me know in the comments if you ever made any of these mistakes. And if you are still watching this video, it looks like you are interested in such content. So subscribe button is waiting for you.